This video covers Fedora versus Fedora Silverblue. Choosing the right Fedora version can optimize your Linux experience without unnecessary complexity. Fedora Workstation delivers a classic, flexible Linux desktop, while Fedora Silverblue offers an immutable, container-focused system. Fedora Workstation is the standard mutable Linux desktop, while Fedora Silverblue is an immutable OS designed around containerized workflows. The core difference lies in system updates and management. Workstation is traditional and flexible. Silverblue emphasizes stability through atomic updates. Fedora Workstation is a traditional Linux distribution tailored for developers and desktop users. It uses a mutable file system, allowing users to install, update, and remove software packages freely using DNF Package Manager. This flexibility supports extensive customization and a wide range of applications. Updates are incremental and can occasionally introduce system inconsistencies, but they provide immediate access to new features and software. Fedora Workstation integrates the latest known desktop environments, offering a polished user interface with broad hardware support. Its strengths include ease of use, adaptability, and access to a vast software repository. However, because the system is mutable, it may be more prone to configuration drift or breakage after updates. This version suits users who prefer control over their system, need traditional package management, or want a conventional Linux desktop experience with frequent software updates. Fedora Silverblue is an immutable desktop operating system designed for stability and reliability. Unlike traditional Fedora, its core system image is read-only, meaning it cannot be altered during normal operation. Updates are delivered atomically, ensuring that system upgrades are reliable and easily reversible. Silverblue centers around containerized applications, using Flatpak for GUI apps and Podman for containerized workflows, which isolate software from the base system. This approach enhances security and reduces the risk of system corruption. Its strengths include consistent performance, simplified rollback capabilities, and ideal support for developers working with containers or those who want a stable workstation without the risk of breaking system dependencies. Limitations include a steeper learning curve for users unfamiliar with containers and less flexibility in traditional package management. Fedora Silverblue is ideal for users who prioritize system stability, security, and modern container-based development environments. Fedora Workstation offers a mutable system with traditional package management, ideal for users who want full control and frequent software updates. It excels in customization and supports a wide range of applications out of the box. In contrast, Fedora Silverblue's immutable design prioritizes stability and reliability by delivering atomic updates and isolating applications via containers. This reduces system breakage and simplifies rollback, but limits direct system modifications. For developers working heavily with containers or those seeking a secure, consistent environment, Silverblue is advantageous. Meanwhile, users who prefer a classic Linux desktop experience with flexible software installation will find Fedora Workstation more suitable. The trade-off is between control and stability, with Workstation offering adaptability and Silverblue focusing on a modern, container-centric workflow. Choose Fedora Workstation if you want a traditional Linux desktop with maximum flexibility, easy software management, and frequent access to the latest updates. Fedora Silverblue is the better choice for those who value system stability, atomic upgrades, and container-based workflows. It's perfect for developers and users seeking a secure, reliable desktop without the risks of mutable system changes. Pick Silverblue for a modern, robust Fedora experience.